So we're clear up front. Okay. We're not really comfortable in an office, I would say. I get souped up. Go into an office that's ever been used before. I am no good. I also get headaches from computers, so I can't be around them for too long. I take stuff. Couldn't do someone go up and down in the elevator. I have a weakness for sweets. Other weaknesses, we're slow learners. We're not particularly good listeners. That'll be a huge problem. We're also slow learners.
Okay, first of all, I need someone
Wait,
to
shut your
work.
mouth. Shut your mouth.
I think we've had enough
Shut
here.
your mouth.
I needed someone
Wait,
to
shut
work.
your mouth.